Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3-ingredient strawberry honey bars. These honey bars are super easy to make at home and are absolutely delicious. Why, hello there. Welcome to Brandi Films. So now it is time to give these strawberry honey bars a good old taste. As you can see, I have one of the bars here, so go ahead and try them. Literally so good, like so delicious. Like in my mind, at least, like for me, these are definitely like a summer treat just because they are messy, you know, it is going to get on your hands. It's basically kind of like a popsicle. I mean, you could definitely like pop some sticks, you know, in the bottom of them and just make them popsicles if you want. But for me, I'm all about like easy. Yeah, I really like bars, you know, that you can hold some. Yeah. 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 These strawberry honey bars are so good. If you're a fruity person and if you're looking for a minimal ingredient, you know, just like dessert summer recipe for at home, highly recommend trying out my recipe here for these strawberry honey bars. So delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one, God willing.